I'm Cecile Ndjebet. I'm based in Cameroon. I'm an agronomist by profession, a social forester by profession too. But I have been involved for years now in all what we call gender mainstreaming work, women rights advocacy. I'm coordinating the African Women Network for Community Management of Forests, which is a network created in 2009 in Cameroon. And the network is trying to push for more consideration to women activities as a whole, but we really want to influence policies and practices for gender equality. Women have a lot of problems, a lot of challenges. So we're trying to push for securing women tenure right to land and forest. We started with 10 countries, now we are 17, from Central Africa, West Africa, and Madagascar. Having women on board, how can we make sure women participate physically where decision making are going on? We organize the women at the very local level and subnational and national level to take part into the RED processes in some RED countries. And we have realized that when the women are part of the decision-making processes, they can really have a voice. We have started working with traditional chiefs, showing them where the problem lies with the customary law, and where it is important for them to bring changes. Because if women have secure access to land and to forest and forest resources, this will bring more value to all what they are doing, and it is the family and the society which will be the benefit from that. And we can see the changes now, where we have traditional chiefs taking our action forward and bringing them to the reform processes and saying, no, this is not good. We have to make sure that women have better access, have security, and planning to solve the problem at their level and pushing politicians to go towards that. Then we have participated to the reform processes, forest reform processes and land reform processes. We have succeeded to work with parliamentarians, drafting the law and making sure things in the law have a sense for us. And we have succeeded also to do that. Building on strategic alliance is key for the women to achieve a change we are aiming at. Thank you so much.